Everyone, it is fourth period here on Thursday at KIT Iizuka. Today is May the 15th. This is week number 6. As it's week number 6, hang on a second, let me just move you to my iPad. Okay. Move you to my iPad and show you what's going on. This is week number 6. So that means, I talked about this last week, but basically the next class is May the 22nd, and then the class after that is a test. So for that test, there are a couple things that we have to prepare today. The most important one is to choose who you will have as your conversation partner. I'll explain that all a little bit later. Also, I wanted to check with you, I believe it was May 1st. Yeah, May 1st was the day I gave you your assignment to the walking video, and I checked today, the walking video, which was actually due on Sunday. This was due on Sunday, but as I see here, there were 21 people listed down. And I think there might be 1 or 2 more people that still have not submitted their walking videos. So if you have not submitted your walking videos, please make sure that you submit it. This is a big part of your grade. At this point, if you're late, yes, you will have points taken off, but it's better than getting 0. Okay, so now this week, 70. As I said before, well, first let me go over the easy stuff. I want you to make sure about your, about your walking video. Okay, so we're going to work on this Quizlet. Now the room's Wi-Fi is a little bit slow, so I suggest right away you access the Moodle on your phone and open up this link because it takes a little bit of time today. It seems like both KIT 1B and 1A are very slow. So right now, while I'm speaking, please access that. Okay. The homework right now at this point is just the reflection about organic food. A lot of you might have heard that, organic food is better, organic pure food is more natural, but you'd be surprised. Organic food is not actually that much better for you. Maybe a little bit, but not so much that it's a lot of money that you want to spend. Please watch the video, write your ideas down, take a picture, send it up to this assignment. I think there was one more thing I wanted to show you on class 8. Yeah, the vocabulary quiz. If you have not yet taken this vocabulary quiz, actually, let me say, yeah, if you haven't taken the vocabulary quiz number 2, please make sure that you take that because that will close on May 18th. You have 3 chances to do this. The best thing to do is to give yourself plenty of time. Today is already the 15th. Now, if you want to take 3 chances, 1 each day, probably you should take one of the chances right now. Okay? Otherwise, let's see here. Let's go back to 7D. Now, the most important thing that we have to do today is, where are we here? Oh, this is from last week, that's why. May 15th. Is the partner name and student submission. So I'll just say this very quickly in English and then I'll explain it again in Japanese. The test that you have on June 5th, this is a speaking test, a conversation test. The conversation test will basically be a group of 4 people. The 4 people will go to a different room. I don't know, I'll choose a room somewhere around here, a different room, or maybe this room, you'll go somewhere else. And you will have 2 5-minute conversations. Okay. And I'll show you what the conversations will be like, both this week and next week. But it's a group of 4 people. So you can choose anyone, 1 more person, anybody you like as your conversation partner. So you and your partner will make a couple, 2 people, a pair. Then I take the pair this pair randomly. I put them together, and that becomes a group of 4 people. So today, what I want to do is get your, excuse me, is to get your partner name in here. Now, I want you to write that in Roman letters with the student number. Okay, don't write it in kanji. That makes it harder for me. I want you to write it in Roman letters, get your partner's student number, and then to put that in. Also, too, I suggest that whoever you choose as your partner, if you don't have yet some way to contact them, if it's through a DM on Instagram or through Line, make sure that you get some way to contact them. So that's actually the first thing we're going to do. After that, we'll have the Quizlet. Then we'll do a few more exercises and start really working on your conversation skills. Your homework this week is just the reflection. If your walking video has not yet been submitted, please make sure that you have it, and you have your vocabulary quiz that's due on Sunday. Okay, if you have any questions about anything, please make sure that you ask me, either through email or in this class. Thanks very much, everyone. Let's have a good class.